second deployment model, that is the private cloud. First of all, what is this private? First of all, what is the meaning of this private? Everyone know. Meaning of this private means it will be a personal, right? We don't want to share anything with the others, right? And we only have to maintain and we have to use, okay? So like that, private means here we don't want to share anything with the others, simply private. Coming to the cloud means it is a network or a internets, right? It is a network or a internet. So what is the thing I want to say here means why we are going to this private cloud. First of all, remember that public cloud okay, whatever the disadvantages of this public cloud is there, okay, to overcome that all problems we are going to this private cloud. Okay, whatever first of all, the security, okay, security problem is there in this private cloud, and no guarantee for our data whatever we are storing into the cloud. Okay, to overcome these type of problems we are switching to the private cloud. And whatever the non suitabilities are there in this private cloud, the organization who want to host their website into the cloud should needs more security, and they need some customization for their applications or that. Okay, that is also not possible in that private cloud. Whatever the apps are there, Gmail app, Facebook app, this app directly you have to use. Okay, నాకు కన్వీనియంట్ గా నాకు జీమెయిల్ యాప్ ఇలా ఉండాలి, ఇలా చేంజెస్ చేయండి. Okay, it will be not changing that. Whatever they have prepared, that only we are installing and utilizing the services. Whatever the services we are utilizing, for that only we are paying the amount. For that only we are paying the amount, right? So whatever the drawbacks are there in this public cloud, to overcome that problems we are going to this private cloud. Okay, that is the first point. And second, here in public cloud, what we have said, where the cloud will be hosted at users location, at service providers location. Where the cloud will be hosted at service provider location, right? Users will be accessing and the service provider will be providing its services to the multiple users, right? Now coming to this private cloud, first of all, here in this private cloud we said that private cloud means they are not able to share their cloud with anyone, right? Right, they don't share anything with the anyone. Means here who will be using this private cloud? Mainly the organizations who need more and much security. For that, then only they will be going to, with this private cloud, right? So what will be the definition of this private cloud? First of all, means it is a cloud facility. Okay, it is a cloud facility which is deployed at client's location. In this situation, cloud is deployed at users. Okay, either user or a client, we can say. Cloud will be deployed at the client premises, not service providers. Okay, remember here. And dedicated services and dedicated resources will be allocated in this cloud. Okay, that is known as the private cloud, right? In public cloud, what will be happening? Reverse, a cloud facility which is deployed at the service provider's location, and the service provider will be sharing that all resources with the multiple users. That's why we are saying it is a multi-tenancy, right? Clear? Okay, if you people are getting any differences of between this public cloud and private cloud, you have to write the points. Clear? So private cloud is nothing but here cloud facility will be deployed at the client's premises, and they only responsibility for maintaining all the resources. Okay, no third party will be there. Okay, no third party will be there. They have to update, they have to install. Okay, everything they have to take care. Okay, whoever the organization is using the private cloud, they have to take care about the things. What are the things to put in this cloud and what are the things should not. Okay, to whom we have to give the access, to whom we should not give the access. Okay, this all headache will be bear by whom? This this organization who is taking care of about this private cloud. But coming to the public cloud, who will be maintaining these all things, ma? Yes, who will be maintaining these all things, maintenance, these all things? I need answers from you. I need answers from you. Who will be maintaining that all things in private public cloud? Yes, who will be maintaining that all things in the public cloud? In private cloud means user and the client only is responsible for that all things, installation, maintenance, and whatever the license softwares they have to purchase, these all things they are the responsible. But coming to the public cloud, this cloud is located at which location? Yes, I need answers. You have to reply. Yes, I need answers. Yeah, reply me immediately, ma. So here, that cloud will be located at service provider's location, right? Service provider location. And who will be maintaining that all things, ma, in public cloud? You have to reply. What happened? Yes, I am not getting replies. I am waiting for you. Until and unless if you don't reply means I am not able to explain the other topics. Yes, who will be maintaining the cloud which is located at the public cloud? At this public cloud లో ఆ క్లౌడ్ లొకేటెడ్ ఎక్కడ సర్వీస్ ప్రొవైడర్ దగ్గర ఉంటుంది. హూ విల్ బి మెయింటైనింగ్ అండ్ హూ విల్ బి టేకింగ్ కేర్ ఆఫ్ దట్ ఆల్ థింగ్స్? వాట్ హ్యాపెండ్? రిప్లై మీ అమ్మా. 588 పబ్లిక్ క్లౌడ్ లో క్లౌడ్ విల్ బి లొకేటెడ్ అట్ యూజర్స్ లొకేషన్. ఎస్, in public cloud, don't get confused, ma. In public cloud, okay, in public cloud, this is the user, okay, this is the service provider. See the definition of that public cloud. Okay, here the cloud facility will be deployed at the service provider's location, right? But coming to this private cloud, here users and service providers, at which location cloud is deployed? At users side. They only responsible for these all things. And in public cloud, here service provider will be responsibility for all the maintenance, updating, installation, access permission, these all things, right? So that is the difference between that. Okay, don't get confused. This question is very, very important, right? First of all, you have to clear the things here, right? This private cloud, we are saying that it is a more security. Why? Because here no other persons are accessing, only the organization, within the organization, and the permission given to that employees, they only can access to the private cloud. The thing is that they have to maintain all things, what to put and what not to put, what to install, and what kind of applications, and how to provide the security. These all things they have to take care, okay? Users, organizations, right? So mainly who will be going with this private clouds, ma? Like for example, banking sectors, okay? Banking sectors mainly they will be preferring for the private cloud, right? So have you heard that SBI bank is there, right? You know this one of the bank, right? SBI bank, it is having its own cloud, ma. It is having its own cloud. That cloud name is nothing but Meghdoot, okay? that cloud name is nothing but Meghdoot cloud. It is a private cloud, one of the biggest cloud, okay, that SBI bank is maintaining. Everything is private. They are only taking care of about this all things. Wherever the SBI branches are located at different locations, right, they will be maintaining one of the headquarters at some Mumbai, and this make to their own private cloud. Everything they will be maintaining, right? So here, coming to this private cloud, it will be a more costly, right? It will be a more costly. Why we are saying it will be a more costly? First of all, yes, why we are saying, means here we have to purchase all the licensed softwares, right? And here next, whatever the updations are there, we have to do, right? And whatever the installation of hardware and software, everything we have to do, right? And who can maintain this private cloud? Here the person should have the knowledge, okay? He or she have to know about all the things perfectly, then only they can go with this private cloud, right? So this private cloud will be, means here remember the example of that SBI bank. It will be have it is having one of the biggest cloud they are maintaining, right? Now one question for you, okay? So one question for you here. I'm having two applications, ma. Okay, one is our college website. Okay, one is our college website, and another one is the banking application. Okay, now I want to post this application in one of the deployment models, right? So one of the deployment model. So see here, this is my college website. Okay, listen carefully, and this is the banking application. So can I post this college website into this private cloud? Can I post this college website into this private cloud? Yes. Okay, which application can I post in this private cloud, ma, and why? Yes, I need answers from you. Which application I can post in private cloud? College website or banking application? Yes, reply me fast. Yes, we can post in private cloud. What college website? Yes, 514. 514. We can post in private cloud. Okay, banking application. Okay, very good, ma. Why not this college website? Why not this college website? We don't maintain much information in that, right? So it's better to post in the public cloud, so it will be the advantage, so that everyone can view about our college and what are the things involved in that, right? If I put that application into the private cloud, okay, college application, that will be not good, right? If I put this banking application, okay, if I put this banking application into this private cloud, then here why? Because every user definitely they will be expecting some securities, okay, on their some financial issues, okay, whatever the transactions they are maintaining, everything they want to secure, right? They don't want to reveal that all the details of the users, either the transactions, either the amount details, how they are, okay, they don't want. So much security is required at this banking application, right? So college website means everyone can view and can see, right? So here that is the private cloud, ma, first of all, right? So here one more example you take, ma'am. So nowadays we are facing like a COVID problems, right? From last to 2 years, hospitals are busy with all the patients, right? So each and every hospital is improving their infrastructures, right? Why? Because patients are increasing at that time, right? So here we will take some Yashoda hospitals, ma. Okay, different branches are there. Okay, Yashoda Hospital like Malakpet and Sikindrabad. Okay, different organizations are there. Okay, so totally some 10,000 employees they are working. Okay, and lot of patients are increasing day by day. Okay, day by day patients అనేది increase అవుతుండ్రు. Now they can't estimate how much data they have to maintain, right? Depend on this patient's details, they will be getting some idea. Okay, day by day how many patients are increasing, how much they like computation they required, right? So exactly they don't know. So in this case what they done means they plan to estimate like a computing resources. Okay, they don't know how to okay, how much they have to purchase permanently. Okay, these all things, simply what they does, they went for this cloud services, right? Cloud services. So they have given their information to the service provider, I need this software. Okay, software in the sense some ERP applications to maintain some all patients informations and the data. Okay, so they have given, so I need some software to run my hospital. So ERP they have developed enterprise applications. Okay, they will buying this application from whom? This vendor is nothing but the సర్వీస్ ప్రొవైడర్స్. మంచిగా వెళ్ళి వాళ్ళ దగ్గర మొత్తం చెప్పేసి ఇలా కావాలి అని అప్లికేషన్ తయారు చేయించుకొని అది తీసేసుకున్నారు, రైట్? సో నవ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఈజ్ ఓకే. సో నవ్ హియర్ వన్ పేషెంట్ he went okay, he has been taken one surgery, ma, in that hospital. Okay, whatever the surgery, okay, some operation has been done to him. Okay, so he don't want to reveal this operation details to his family members. Okay, to anyone, to friends or to anyone, just he want to maintain this information between him and that particular doctor. Okay, particular hospital, in that only, right? So they agreed with this all things. Okay, నేను మీ ఎవరికి ఇన్ఫార్మ్ చేయము. ఓకే, మీ అదే మేమే చూసుకుంటాం దీస్ ఆల్ థింగ్స్ అని they will be, he is believing now. Now he done the surgery and operation and came to home and sat nicely. Okay, so finally he will be getting one call. Okay, from the from some sites. Okay, he will be getting call that you have done some surgery and the operations. Okay, in our medical stores we are having some good medicines for that and some like discounts on that. Okay, so he was in shock. Who has revealed my data out here? The whatever the operation and surgery information, it is kept a secret between this between this person and the doctor only. Means doctor in the sense hospital organization, everything. Means here they will be maintaining some applications. Okay, that applications developed by these service providers, right? They will be maintaining these all things. Now hospital is doing the enquiry, how his information came out. Okay, who is selling the data? Okay, how it has been spread out? Okay, they had started estimating these all things. Now they have understand that, what they have understand here, I think everyone know, whatever our data stored in the cloud, that data will be sold by whom? Some service provider, Amazon or some service providers, they will be selling the data with some cost, right? So here also same thing happened here. So whatever the data are there, patient details or whatever the data are there, here the person, some XY person who is maintaining, what he does, he make one copy and sell that data to the like different marketing persons. Okay, marketing persons, for them he sell. Okay, now the patient, he was fired and shouting on that hospital. I said that to keep that all things secure. Okay, you should not share that all details with the others. How you share that? So organization, what it does, ma, it started inquiry who does these all things. Finally they caught that person, right? Now they realize we should not maintain these all things. Okay, పబ్లిక్ క్లౌడ్లో పెడితే ఇలాంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ వస్తాయి కాబట్టి వాళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తారు, their own private clouds. Okay, whatever the own private cloud is there, that application was developed by the service providers and they will be maintaining by themselves, right? Themselves to overcome these type of problems. Now hospitals, banking sectors, okay, they are going with their own clouds, right? So here this private cloud is again classified into two types, ma. Okay, private cloud is classified into we'll see characteristics later. Okay, this private cloud is classified into some two types. Okay, what is that? On premises private cloud and outsourced private cloud, or we can say it can be deployed in many ways, ma. Like on premises, okay, on premises internally managed cloud. Okay, on premises internally managed cloud, or on premises externally managed cloud, or we can say that off premises. Okay, off premises externally managed cloud. There are many ways for these private cloud deployments, right? So we'll see the first one. We'll see what is this on premises private cloud. On premises means my organization will be there. Okay, I will be maintaining my own cloud. I will be taking care of all the software installation, these all things. Okay, that cloud will be located in our premises only, and organization networks are connected to that, and here everything will be taking care about that organization. No other person will be involving, only organization will be taking care about that. Okay, that is the on premises, right? And coming to the out premises, out premises means, for example, hospital is there, ma, hospital is my own. Okay, but I don't have the cloud. What I will be doing, I want to maintain that all the data into the cloud, right? Or outsource private cloud, right? This hospital, everything is my own, ma. I don't have the cloud to store this all things, resources and the data information. So I will be approaching to the service providers. Okay, the service providers, they will be providing the services to the users. Means that cloud is a cloud over the service provider. Okay, just they are using all the resources and the applications, for that only they will be paying, right? Outsource private cloud. In this outsource private cloud, there will be a less security compared to this on premises private cloud, ma. Okay, why? Because here whatever the cloud and the resources, it will be ఎవరిది ఉంటుంది, అది సర్వీస్ ప్రొవైడర్ది. జస్ట్ వీఆర్ యాక్సెసింగ్ టు దట్ అండ్ యూటిలైజింగ్ ద సర్వీసెస్ అండ్ రిసోర్సెస్, ఫర్ దట్ ఓన్లీ వీఆర్ పేయింగ్, రైట్? సో ఆన్ ప్రిమిసెస్ ఏంటిది, హాస్పిటల్ నాదే, క్లౌడ్ నాదే. ఓకే, దీంట్లో మెయింటైన్ చేయడానికి ఒక మంచి పర్సన్ని హైర్ చేసుకుంటా, ఎంత డబ్బులైనా వాళ్ళకి శాలరీ ఇచ్చి మెయింటైన్ చేస్తా. ఓకే, సో దట్ ఈస్ ఆన్ ప్రిమిసెస్ ప్రైవేట్ క్లౌడ్, రైట్? అండర్స్టాండ్? On premises private cloud means the cloud is deployed in organizational premises only, right? And it is connected to the organizational networks, right? So what will be the issues in this on premises private cloud? First of all, ఈ cloud వాళ్ళే మెయింటైన్ చేస్తుండ్రు కాబట్టి SLA issues, SLA issues means if anything happens also no one will be taking care. Okay, why? Because they are only the responsibility for each and everything, right? If they are using the public cloud means SLA will be the responsibility for both ki focus outari, right? And network issues, this is the obviously network issues and the performance, based on the network only performance will be good, right? And multi-tenancy means here multi-tenancy means within that organization only can use, other users cannot use. Okay, that will be the issues. And locations, okay, within that particular location only we can utilize the services, from other locations we can't access, right? Security and data privacy, okay, security and data privacy in which case if I have given the permission to the other person who is the other organization person, then we will be facing this security and data privacy. Loss and conflicts and the cloud management and the maintenance, these all things we have to maintain, right? Here this cloud is located at our location, okay, on premises, and we have to take care about all the things, right? We have to take care about all the things. That is the that is the first one. Second one, outsource private cloud is nothing but outsource means here outsource means బిల్డింగ్ నాదే, జస్ట్ క్లౌడ్ వాడి దగ్గర తీసుకుంటున్నాం, రైట్? క్లౌడ్ వీఆర్ టేకింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ ది సర్వీస్ ప్రొవైడర్ అండ్ యూటిలైజింగ్ ద సర్వీసెస్, right? So we are means cloud resources outsourced to the third party, and third party manages the whole cloud. Everything is same as usual the private cloud, okay, except that here the cloud is outsourced, right? Whatever the hospital, whatever the that all things is your, just you are taking this cloud has a how outsource. Why? Because they will be maintaining, updating these all things. Same issues will be involved in this also, ma, right? So here we are having some characteristics. Security, okay, security will be good in this private cloud, okay. Central control will be there. Why? Because within that organization few members only accessing to that and utilizing that, right? Weak SLS, why we are saying weak SLS? If anything happened, okay, there will be a no penalty for that, okay. So like that weak SLS will be there. To whom this private cloud will be suitable? The organization who need more security, okay ma, more security kavali naku, okay, I need more security, enta cost aina bear cheyagalutanu, okay, for them it will be suitable. And they only can control these all things, okay. And takwa users like limited number of users can access to that cloud. And here the maintenance, everything I will be taking care of that. For that type of a people it will be useful, right? And here if anything happened to that cloud, here they have to hire a special person, okay, like he have to know everything, okay. For them only it will be suitable. And non suitable means higher user base, okay, higher base, it is not going to be supporting, okay. Financial constraints and pre-built infrastructures, for them also it is not suitable. And manpower to maintain and manage the cloud, for these members it is not suitable, right? So coming to the advantages and disadvantages, what are the advantages of this private cloud now? First of all, more control, right? The cloud will be located at the user's location, okay, on premises. That's why more control will be there, ma, right? They are maintaining and they are taking care. And security, high security will be there in this private cloud. Why? Because the cloud is located on premises and they are not giving any permissions to the others. If they give, then only they can come, right? So compared to the public cloud, whatever the security is provided in this private cloud, it is good, ma, right? Improved performance will be there, okay. Improved performance will be there. Speed and space capacity, right? So these are the advantages. And coming to the disadvantages, first of all, here disadvantage means obviously cost, okay. if we are having a financial good strength, then only you can go with this high cost. Okay. And restricted area of operations. Okay. Within that organization only they have to use, only limited persons they have to use. Okay. And limited scalability will be there, and they have to hire the skilled persons to maintain and operate that all the cloud services. So these all are the disadvantages of this private cloud, right? So this is about the private cloud. Ma, remember the example. This question is very very important, right? So this SBI bank is having its own private cloud. Ma, okay, one of the biggest cloud. That cloud is known as Meghdut cloud. They are maintaining, right? Meghdut cloud. They are maintaining, it is a private cloud. It is one of the best example for this private cloud. Meghdut cloud. Remember this word, right? So we'll see in the. So this is about the private cloud. Ma. If anything, any doubts or any problems, you can share with me. Have you understand first of all? Um, is the private cloud